how could someone make chicken dish delicious? Wait. Oh, Dad, where is she? Wait.
Hi, my name is Gadis Adelila.
Hi, my name is Ahmad Fikri Ramadan.
Hello, my name is Mati.
Hello, my name is Zidane Al-Muzaki.
And we are from 10.6 class. And today we want to talk about Colonel Sanders. Why did we choose Colonel Sanders for our biography video? Because we often eat fried chicken with flour. So we are looking for who made the chicken dish famous. And that person is Colonel Sanders. So here's the biography of Colonel Sanders. Harlan Sanders, or better known as Colonel Sanders, was born on September 9, 1890 in Henryville, Indiana, United States. Sanders is the eldest child of Wilbur David and Margaret Ann Sanders. His father worked on plantation. Meanwhile, his mother was a housewife who took care of Sanders and his two younger siblings. When Sanders is 6 years old, his mother had to look for work outside to help his father support his family's needs. Harlan Sanders, atau lebih dikenal sebagai Colonel Sanders, lahir pada tanggal 6 September tahun 1890 di Henryville, Indiana, United States. Sanders adalah anak tertua dari Wilbur David dan juga Margaret Ann Sanders. Bapak Sanders, ayahnya Sanders bekerja di perkebunan dan ibunya adalah ibu rumah tangga yang menjaga Sanders dan juga kedua adiknya. Saat Sanders berusia 6 tahun, mamanya mencari kerja di luar untuk membantu ayahnya memenuhi kebutuhan keluarga.
Sanders has two sweet positions to look after his siblings and also cook. Therefore, Sanders has become accustomed to cooking because he has done these activities continuously since he is 1 years old. So Sanders has quit cooking skills. Sanders harus berpindah posisi untuk menjaga saudara-saudaranya dan juga memasak. Oleh karena itu, Sanders udah terbiasa memasak karena kegiatan tersebut dilakukan terus-menerus sejak ia berusia 10 tahun. Jadi, Sanders merasa punya kemampuan memasak yang cukup baik.
Since childhood, Sanders has worked very hard. He worked odd jobs to get by, then enlisted in the United States Air Force, founded a ferry company, founded a lighting company, and a gas station. The business helped build a village at that time. Sejak kecil, Sanders sudah bekerja sangat keras. Dia bekerja serabutan untuk bertahan hidup, kemudian mendaftar di Angkatan Udara Amerika Serikat, mendirikan perusahaan ferry, mendirikan perusahaan penerbangan, dan pompa bensin. Bensin yang ia bangun semuanya gagal saat itu.
Sanders try is like I can by turning his gas station into a restaurant called Harlan Sanders Restaurant. The restaurant is quite famous in the Kentucky area. Sanders become now to people that use Colonel Sanders. Sanders kembali mencoba peruntungnya dengan mengubah pompa bensinnya menjadi sebuah restoran bernama lain, Sanders restoran ini cukup terkenal di kawasan Kuntek. Sanders dikenal oleh orang-orang di sana sebagai Kolonel Sanders.
Sanders is aware that customers at this restaurant really like his fried chicken. Then he started to develop the fried chicken recipe again and start it into a business with the capital he had at the time. Sanders spent about 1 year various kind of trials with his fried chicken recipe. Then in 1940, Sanders successfully completed his secret recipe for frying chicken. So it was delicious and fried and fresh. Nah, Sanders ini sadar bahwa pelanggan di restoran itu sangat menyukai resep ayam goreng buatannya. Nah, kemudian si Kolonel Sanders ini nyoba buat ngembangin resep ayam gorengnya. Nah, kemudian saat itu dia berusaha buat ngebangun bisnis dengan modal yang ada pada saat itu. Hingga dengan modal yang ada dimiliki saat itu, si Sanders ini menghabiskan waktu ya kurang lebih sekitar 1 tahun untuk membangun restoran itu tuh. Nah, akan tetapi dia Pak Kolonel Sanders ini melewati berbagai macam rintangan dan cobaan nih. Ngebangun langsung berhasil, tapi dia buat ngedaftar ke restoran ini buat nawarin resepnya nih sampai berkali-kali kan, itu ditolak sampai 1000 kali. Nah, kemudian pada tahun 1940 Kolonel Sanders ini berhasil menyelesaikan resepnya untuk menggoreng ayam agar ayam goreng itu agar lebih jadi enak dan seger.
In 1952, Colonel Sanders sold all his property to go from restaurant to a restaurant offering his recipes. As a former chef, he believes that his recipes will be of interest to many restaurants and is willing to work together to open franchise business under his license. Pada tahun 1952, Colonel Sanders menjual semua propertinya untuk pergi dari restoran ke restoran yang lainnya untuk menawarkan resepnya. Sebagai mantan chef, dia yakin bahwa resepnya akan menarik perhatian, akan menarik banyak restoran-restoran dan kemudian dia akan menawarkan waralaba bisnis di bawah lisensinya.
More than 1,000 restaurants reject the recipes he offered, but he didn't just give up and kept going around until the arrived at the 1,008 restaurant who wanted to buy his recipes and then develop a franchise business called KFC. Nah, lebih dari 1.000 restoran yang menolak tawaran dari Pak Kolonel Sanders ini. Nah, akan tetapi Pak Kolonel Sanders ini nggak berhenti berjuang di situ aja. Beliau ini mencoba keliling terus buat nawarin resepnya hingga di restoran ke 1008 yang ada yang restoran menerima tawarannya, kemudian mengembangkan restoran tersebut, kemudian waralaba itu yang bernama KFC.
Sanders died on December 16, 1990 due to complications from pneumonia and leukemia, but his legacy lived on. This day, the delicious of fresh chicken is still enjoyed by many people from all over the world today. Sanders meninggal pada tanggal 16 Desember 1980 akibat komplikasi pneumonia dan leukemia. Namun warisannya masih hidup hingga saat ini. Kelezatan ayam goreng masih dinikmati banyak orang dari seluruh dunia hingga saat ini.
Oh, this is Colonel Sanders. He made this chicken recipes.